Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking level and turning the ignition off, safety first. Put on gloves, fold the mirror housing inward, and use a plastic pry tool to lift the outer trim gently. This exposes the glass mounting. Once done, press the retaining tabs while supporting the glass so it doesn't fall. If your Tacoma has heated or powered mirrors, make sure to locate and unplug the electrical connector before fully detaching the glass to avoid damage to the harness. You now remove the old glass by tilting it outward and easing the retaining clips free. Sometimes mild pressure breaks stuck adhesive. Disconnect any heater wires by pulling the small terminals straight off and set the glass aside on a soft cloth. Next, clean the mirror housing and mounting plate with isopropyl alcohol to remove residue. This helps new adhesive stick. Make sure the actuator and tabs are straight and intact. Replace foam pads so the new glass seats firmly and evenly. You position the new glass by aligning the mounting posts and gently pressing until each clip clicks into place. Firm, even pressure works best. Once seated, reconnect the heater or motor connector and test power adjustment and defrost function to confirm everything moves smoothly. Make sure to reattach any outer trim you removed. If the glass wobbles or the motor binds, stop and remove the glass to check clip seating, replace missing foam pads, and verify wiring continuity before finishing. That single troubleshooting step avoids repeat work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.